Imagine a giant 14-inch tablet with a built-in stand, great battery life, and AI features at an incredible price. Well, stick around because today I'm reviewing the Acer Iconia A14 Kickstand. Let's start with the design, where this tablet really stands out. It has a metallic body that feels pretty premium, but the real star here is the integrated kickstand, a built-in back leg that lets you prop up the tablet at different angles without needing a case or extra accessories. This completely changes how you use it because you can rest it on a table to watch shows, YouTube videos, or even work with an external keyboard like it's a small portable display. Of course, due to its size and weight, this isn't a tablet for handheld use or travel, but rather for keeping on a table. And speaking of size, let's talk about the screen, which is one of its strongest points. We have a panel that's a full 14 inches with full HD resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels and a 60 Hz refresh rate. This translates to good image quality for multimedia consumption. Shows, movies, and videos look quite good with more than adequate definition for this price range. Obviously, this isn't the best screen on the market in terms of brightness or color accuracy, but it definitely does its job perfectly. Plus, the widescreen format is great for watching content or even splitting the screen to use multiple apps at once. Performance-wise, this tablet has an all-winner A733 processor, a mid-range 8-core chip that delivers stable performance for this type of device. Add to that up to 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage, which you can also expand via microSD card up to 1 terabyte. In everyday use, this means a smooth experience for typical tasks like browsing the web, using social media, watching videos, or even some multitasking. Let's be clear though, this tablet isn't designed for gaming or really demanding tasks. The focus here is clearly on multimedia consumption and light productivity. In terms of software, the Acer Iconia A14 comes with Android 15, which is great news as it ensures compatibility with the latest apps and system features. Ideal for users looking for something functional without complications. On top of this, Acer has added some extra features related to artificial intelligence. These include automatic video enhancements, touchless control, and AI-powered camera optimization. Obviously, these aren't revolutionary features, but they do add an interesting extra that can improve the day-to-day experience. Now let's look at the battery, another key aspect of any tablet. Here we have an 8000 mAh capacity that can deliver up to 10 hours of continuous video playback. In practice, this means you can use it all day without any issues. That is, with moderate use. Honestly, the battery life is more than solid, especially for its screen size, making it ideal for class, work, or long content sessions. Plus, it has 30-watt fast charging via USB-C. As for connectivity, it's pretty well equipped. It includes Wi-Fi 6, which offers better speed and stability, Bluetooth 5.4 for better battery life and lower latency with other devices, USB-C port, and microSD card slot. Plus, it has stereo speakers on both sides. They're not amazing, but they definitely get the job done. The cameras, as usual with these devices, are pretty basic. It has an 8-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front camera, designed mainly for video calls rather than photos or videos. They do their job, but cameras aren't a standout feature. And finally, we come to one of the most important points, especially for consumers, the price. The Iconia A14 sits between 250 and 300 euros, making it a pretty solid option in the large tablet category. And if you need something even bigger, believe it or not, there's also a 16-inch version available. In summary, this is a device that stands out for its huge screen, good storage, and above all, that integrated kickstand that completely changes how you use it. On the downside, we have limited performance for more demanding tasks, and the cameras are pretty basic. But if you're looking for a large tablet to watch content, study, work, or even use as a second screen, the Acer Iconia A14 Kickstand is a highly recommended option in its price range.